Bureau Chief Sharath Chandra is tracking all the developments. Sharath, how much more time, how long more before we get the results?
Yeah, Navarun, it may take another 15 minutes. Right now, you can see just before minutes ahead, this is the Congress MLA. Congress MLA enter again to the counting hall. He was present. He is being present here since the counting start. I do not know again what could be the reason behind it. All of a sudden, the Congress MLA who were witnessing the counting, all of a sudden just left the counting hall. Again, he was again requested by the security officials of this assembly complex, and he again taken back to the counting hall. So counting have already begun 10 minutes ahead, and it may take another 15 to 20 minutes, but I do not know the reason behind, because all of a sudden the Congress MLA who was witnessing the counting from the beginning, all of a sudden left, and security officials of this assembly complex again requested him to come back, and now he has taken again the Congress MLA witnessing the counting again taken back to the counting hall. So I think maybe for around some minutes, I think counting may again disrupted, but now I think counting will resume soon, I think. So Navarun, around about another 15 minutes may take to end the counting, Navarun.
Clearly, a lot of suspense still continues, Sharath, and what we are also hearing is that we can expect hectic politicking in Manipur for the next 2 to 3 days. The Congress MLAs are also huddled together in a place. Of course, the BJP MLAs leaders are in the assembly premises. Clearly, hectic politicking on the cards, Sharath, in the next two to 3 days.
Yeah. Next 2 to 3 days is very hectic for the opposition Congress. And right now, again, with me is the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. So, sir, you are, I think, confident enough to win this Rajya Sabha loan. Only one line, sir, because it is lightly sponsored. Please say one line.
It is a big win of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. It is a big win of the BJP, and I would like to thank the people of the state for their kind cooperation and support to the government, and I would like to thank all the members who voted for the BJP and those who are in the opposition also, who have shown the healthy democratic system, and it is a win-win situation, I will say, because there is no defeat in the loss, but it is a greatest achievement of the people of the state, and we are contributing our Maharaja, the titular king, as a Rajya Sabha member, as a team of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and the Home Minister Amit Shah ji. And I also would like to congratulate and thanks the National President, Shri Nada ji of the BJP, for his effort, for his tireless, the checking, balancing, and mobilizing all the members and all the state people of the state.
So do you think that this result will give another stable government to your government, sir?
The result itself shows that the BJP-led government in favor of the titular king, we are getting 28 out of 52. It clearly shows we have enough strength of majority. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Wish you all the best, sir.
Thank you.
So
Yeah,
big breaking news there. Big breaking news, Sharath. Yes, 28. The Chief Minister there confirming. Yeah.
This is the again
Okay.
candidate.
Yes.
Please say one line, sir.
Sorry.
This very happy moment to the Manipur of Manipur. The people of Manipur.
Yeah.
Please say one line, sir.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy to get this victory, and I would like to do something for the people of my people. What I cannot do for the last 25 years of my service for the people of this state. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is again past. There was Simran Sen Biren Singh who was very
Yes.
happy that this ruling Congress secured 52. This out of 52, they secured 28 seats. And again, that was the titular King Sembo Sanazauba, who is again very happy, giving a very good message, very happy, sharing the happy moment with the people of Manipur that he will serve for the people of Manipur. Nabarun.
Yes, Sharad, big breaking news. Thank you so much for all those updates. Big breaking news. BJP candidate Titular King Leshamba Sanayauba has won the Rajya Sabha seat, lone Rajya Sabha seat from Manipur despite all odds. 28 votes secured out of the total 52. So that's very interesting. And we also heard the Chief Minister Biren Singh asserting that the BJP-led coalition government is secure in the state. The numbers speak for themselves, is what Biren Singh said. 28 in favor of its candidate in Rajya Sabha implies that Biren Singh rule is not yet over in Manipur. That's what the Chief Minister told Northeast Live on this show. We'll have to leave it there.